Spirituality is the a very relevant topic about which we have to talk in brief. Science and spirituality. Being a professor of engineering and technology, we use hugely about the application of science and technology. So when we study science and engineering, science and technology, we find that ultimate goal of science is for the development of the society, is for the benefit of mankind, is for the welfare of mankind. But what is the ultimate goal? The ultimate goal is something which we want to search, something which we want to find, something which we want to achieve using research and other approaches in science. And I think that is the same manner we use in spirituality. Spirituality is the universal approach, whereas the religion is sectarian approach. But we know that there are different religions, there are different people who belong to different religions. Their approaches are different, their paths are different, but their ultimate goal is always the unique goal, that is supreme goal. Like we say, ekam sadvipara bodha vadanti, that there are different streams which flow in different directions, but they ultimately merged into a single big ocean. So the ultimate goal is, the final goal is always, it always remains same when it comes to spirituality. Spirituality tells us that the main objective, or rather main outcome, main goal being same for all the paths, all the approaches, and therefore we should not fight for different religions and different paths. The main goal is the spirituality, and the ultimate goal of the spirituality, I believe, is towards achieving towards truth. What actually is the truth? I find, and we also see in science, that there are, I think, two perfect entities in the universe, and the two perfect entities are truth and the God. I think apart from these two entities, I don't think that there is any other entity which is perfect entity. So in science also, why do we conduct so many research work? Why do we conduct so many, why do we involve, why do we engage ourselves in so many research initiatives? In order to find that what is the perfect solution, what is the perfect answer, what is the perfect response, and in order to search for the perfect solution, we use and we devise n number of methodologies, n number of methods in order to reach that, and everyone is trying his level best to achieve that. There are n number of methods, there are n number of researchers, numerous researchers who are doing many research so as to find that unique solution. But there is no limit for the optimization. Optimization has not any limit. We try to find the optimal solution, and that is the goal. And I think that is very common thing in science and spirituality. That is to achieve the optimum thing, and the optimum goal is the perfection. The optimum goal is the truth, and optimum goal is the God. And I think that concept tells us that we believe in diversity in unity, that is unity in diversity, rather unity in diversity. And what is that unity? As I told you, that many streams flow in different directions and merged into a single ocean. So I think this is a very innovative concept. We can always bridge between science and spirituality. They are not different things. Science also teaches us, science also makes us learn, science also motivates, encourages. Yes, there is one thing, right, which we are trying to find using many optimization method or genetic algorithms and all that. And spirituality is same thing, that it tells us, it gives the direction that yes, that is the ultimate goal, and that ultimate goal should be aimed by different paths and different type of people. So I think there is a very strong analogy between science and spirituality. Thank you.